Hi everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to make money online and get paid via PayPal fast. All you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos like this on a consistent basis. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded, and most importantly, there is a link below in the description for my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually show you 3 websites that you can sign up for today. They're totally free to sign up for, and you can start to make money online and get paid via PayPal. So with that being said, let's get started. The first site that we're going to have a look at today is swagbucks.com. S-W-A-G, swagbucks.com. And it works really simple. What you do here is you earn points by shopping online, watch entertainment videos, you search the web, answer surveys and find great deals to earn your points. Now, while you can of course choose to get some free gift cards, you can actually cash back from PayPal also. So it is a popular site definitely, and going to play the video here a little bit so you can get a quick idea what this is all about.
Welcome to Swagbucks, the fun rewards program that gives you free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you do online. You can put cash back in your wallet, earn points when you shop at your favorite retailers, watch entertaining videos, search the web, answer surveys, and find great deals. Redeem points for gift cards to your favorite retailers like Target and Walmart, or get cash back from PayPal. Once you join...
Well, okay, I'm gonna stop the video here. Pretty much exactly as what I said earlier here, okay? You can also have a look at how it works. So you see here, you earn points, you get free gift cards, and you do that by shopping online, you answer surveys, you watch videos, discover offers, search the web, play games, mobile app, okay? So there is a few opportunities here to pick from actually. A very popular site, as I mentioned earlier, swagbucks.com. So all you have to do is sign up and get started with it. The next opportunity that we are going to have a look at is treasuretrooper.com. treasuretrooper.com. And here are actually also few opportunities. The first one is you complete offers, you fill out forms, sample products, make money performing searches, you complete some tasks and you get paid cash for it all. There are over 3,000 in offers, so definitely something that will fit for you as well. The next thing that you can do is you can take paid surveys. You can see here worth up to $1 each. You can be rewarded for playing mini games, so if you like to play games, this is definitely a good opportunity to be paid for that. And of course also by referring a friend. You can see here you receive 20% of what they earn and 5% from your second level referrals. So this is a really cool opportunity as well. You can see here that this is happening right now, so there is people that has earned 50 cents, someone has completed and earned $3 here, 75 cents, so it's happening all the time. If you have a look at how it works, pretty much as I mentioned earlier, you just sign up and register by providing name, email and password, and they pay everything from 50 cents to $50. Okay. And of course there is a minimum balance of $20. When you have completed $20, you just request an instant payment there, so you get paid pretty quick. And that is about treasuretrooper.com. Okay, you see here how much they have paid out, and there is some payment proof which I liked here also. There is a Skeptic Center. So you can see here payment thread and payment gallery. You can see there is some screenshots from the payouts, and there is a payment thread here as well that you can have a look at. So really cool. It's just to show the proof that they are for real. And that is about treasuretrooper.com. The third opportunity that we're going to have a look at is Scribie.com. This is actually the first time I reveal this site, I think. It is about transcribing audio and video files. So when you write to Scribie.com, you can see here you can transcribe your audio video files, rate starting at 10 cents per minute. But we are going to scroll down at the bottom of this page and we are going to hit the transcribers. So you're going to see here home-based job, work at your convenience. You can earn from $5 up to $25 per hour pay rate in US dollars. Okay, and they pay out via PayPal, as you can see here, really fast as soon as you have finished your job and it has been approved. So it goes really fast here. You just sign up and follow the instructions, of course, here. You can see there is some bonus also. We pay a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed each month. So you can definitely make more money. And of course, referral and affiliate opportunity here as well. They pay you 5% affiliate commissions, which is really cool for every person that you refer. So Scribie.com. Now, what I usually recommend is actually sign up to a few of these kind of sites. I already mentioned the transcribeme.com, and there is Fiverr, there is definitely more sites. So you don't have to wait for just one site to contact you and send you some transcribe jobs. So what I would do is actually I would sign up to 2 or 3 of those so I can make more money on a consistent basis. Okay, that's it. Swagbucks.com, Treasure Trooper, and Scribie, and also Transcribe Me. So actually 4 sites here. Those are the 3 easy ways that you can get started with to make money online and get paid via PayPal fast. Now, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos like this on a consistent basis, hit that notification bell, and most importantly, there is a link below the description for my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and see you soon.